The chemistry was used for our ancestors thousand years ago. The first civilizations used technologies that would the principles of chemistry. Some things like the fermentation of wine and beer, the extraction of chemicals from plants, the cheese preparations, the extraction of metals from ores, or the implementation of alloys like bronze, were examples of use of chemistry in the history of several civilizations in the world. One important thing in the chemistry's history was the rise of alchemy. Alchemy was practiced by many cultures throughout history, and one of the most known studies was the search of the philosopher's stones. However, the alchemy was many problems in relations to the esoteric language, the no unification terminologies, and the no systematic naming for new compounds. The development of the modern scientific method was done in the Arabic world. The Muslims translated the words made by Greek and Egyptians. They were called early chemists, and that was the first step from alchemy to chemistry.
What is chemical engineering? Chemical engineering is the branch of engineering that deals with the application of physical science and life science, with mathematics and economics, to the process of converting raw materials or chemicals into more useful or valuable forms. Chemical engineering largely involves the design, improvement and maintenance processes involving chemical or biological transformation for large-scale manufacture. Difference between chemistry and chemical engineering. A chemist researches the molecular and atomic components of a product, its reactions and its chemical properties. They also look for new options to synthesize the products and byproducts. A chemical engineer designs equipment to obtain products and byproducts on a larger scale. He ensures that the quality of it corresponds to the chemical and physicochemical specifications.
The chemistry is the science dedicated to studying the composition, structure, and properties of matter with the change in chemical reactions. There are different disciplines of chemistry, which are grouped by type of study performed or the kind of stuff they study. We mention organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, analytical chemistry, and biological chemistry, among others. The chemicals are responsible for the investigation of the phenomena and compounds of the matter around us, seek to explain of this phenomenon than to maintain its good performance and expand the possibilities of conservation and use each element, as well as theorizing and doing research related to chemical reactions.